Building your dream website, a beginner's guide to WordPress and Elementor. Have you ever wanted to build your own website but felt overwhelmed by the technical jargon and complicated processes? You're not alone. With the right tools and guidance, anyone can create a beautiful and functional website, even without any prior experience. This guide will walk you through the process of building a stunning website using two powerful tools, WordPress and Elementor. WordPress is the world's most popular website building platform, powering over 43% of all websites on the internet. It's known for its user-friendliness and flexibility, making it the perfect choice for beginners and experienced web developers alike. Elementor is a drag-and-drop page builder that works seamlessly with WordPress. It empowers you to create visually appealing and engaging web pages without writing a single line of code. In this step-by-step guide, we'll break down the website building process into manageable chunks. So let's dive in and unlock the world of website creation with WordPress and Elementor. What is WordPress and why should I use it? Imagine WordPress as the foundation of your website, providing the structure and framework to build upon. WordPress is open-source software, meaning it's free to use, modify, and distribute. This makes it an incredibly cost-effective solution for individuals and businesses of all sizes. One of the main reasons WordPress is so popular is its user-friendly interface. Even if you're new to website building, you'll find the WordPress dashboard intuitive and easy to navigate. Another significant advantage of WordPress is its vast plugin library. Plugins are like apps for your website, adding new features and functionalities. Whether you want to create an online store, add contact forms, or optimize your website for search engines, there's a plugin for that. With its ease of use, flexibility, and extensive customization options, WordPress is the perfect platform to bring your website dreams to life. Getting started installing WordPress, your website's foundation. Now that you understand the power and flexibility of WordPress, let's get it installed and ready to go. The first step is to choose a web hosting provider. Web hosting is like renting space on the internet for your website to live. Your website's files and data are stored on a server, making them accessible to visitors worldwide. There are countless web hosting providers available, each offering different plans and features. Some popular and reliable options include Bluehost, SiteGround, and DreamHost. Once you've selected a web hosting plan, you can install WordPress with just a few clicks. Most web hosting providers offer one-click WordPress installation, making the process quick and painless. Congratulations, you've successfully installed WordPress and taken the first step toward building your dream website. Elementor, your secret weapon for stunning website design. With WordPress installed, it's time to introduce Elementor, the drag-and-drop page builder that will revolutionize your website design experience. Elementor empowers you to create visually stunning and engaging web pages without any coding knowledge. Its intuitive interface and extensive customization options make it the perfect tool for beginners and experienced web designers alike. Elementor works seamlessly with any WordPress theme, giving you complete design freedom. You can start with a blank canvas or choose from hundreds of pre-designed templates that cater to various industries and niches. One of Elementor's most powerful features is its live editing functionality. Elementor also offers a vast library of widgets, which are pre-built design elements that you can easily add to your pages. Section 5. Creating your first page with Elementor. Now that you're familiar with Elementor's capabilities, let's create your first page. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Pages and click Add New. You'll be taken to the WordPress page editor. To unleash the power of Elementor, click the Edit with Elementor button. This will launch the Elementor editor where you can start designing your page. The Elements tab contains all the widgets and design elements you can add to your page. To add an element to your page, simply drag and drop it from the Elements tab onto the canvas. You can then customize the element's content, style, and layout using Elementor's intuitive controls. Once you're happy with your page's design, click the Publish button to make it live on your website. Congratulations, you've created your first page with Elementor. Section 6. Adding basic elements, text, images, and buttons. With your first page created, let's add some essential elements to bring it to life. Text, images, and buttons are the building blocks of any website, conveying information, showcasing visuals, and guiding visitors to take action. To add text, simply drag and drop the heading or text editor widget onto your page. You can customize the font, size, color, and other styling options using Elementor's intuitive controls. Adding images is just as easy. Drag the image widget onto your page and select the image you want to add from your media library or upload a new one from your computer. Buttons are essential for guiding visitors to take specific actions such as signing up for a newsletter, making a purchase, or contacting you. To add a button, drag the button widget onto your page and customize its text, link, color, and other styling options. Section 7. Customizing your page layout for maximum impact. Now that you know how to add basic elements, let's explore how to customize your page layout for maximum impact. Elementor provides powerful layout options that allow you to create visually appealing and engaging page structures. One of the key layout tools in Elementor is the section element. Sections act as containers for other elements, allowing you to group and arrange them in various ways. Within each section, you can add columns to further divide the space and create more complex layouts. Columns allow you to place elements side by side, creating visually appealing grids and arrangements. With these tools, you can create unique and engaging layouts that capture your visitors' attention and enhance their browsing experience. Section 8. Level up your design, adding advanced elements. Once you're comfortable with basic elements and layout options, it's time to level up your design by adding advanced elements. Elementor offers a wide range of advanced widgets that can enhance your website's functionality and engagement. Carousels are great for showcasing multiple images or pieces of content in a visually appealing and interactive way. Accordions are perfect for presenting large amounts of information in a compact and organized manner. The accordion widget lets you create collapsible content sections that users can expand or collapse with a click. Other advanced elements you can add to your website include forms, maps, social media feeds, pricing tables, and much more. Elementor's extensive widget library provides endless possibilities for enhancing your website's functionality and design. Section 9. Congratulations! You've built your first website with WordPress and Elementor. Congratulations on reaching the end of this guide. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you've gained the knowledge and confidence to build your own stunning website from scratch. Remember, website building is an ongoing process of learning and experimentation. Stay curious, keep learning, and don't hesitate to seek out resources and communities that can support your growth. With dedication and creativity, the possibilities for your online presence are limitless.